Hey everyone, today we're going to take a deep dive into how you can start your own dropshipping website using Shift4Shop. Whether you're new to e-commerce or thinking about switching platforms, this video will guide you through the entire process. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to customizing your store and adding products for dropshipping. Let's get started. First, go to the Shift4Shop website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill out some basic information about your store. You'll also answer a few business-related questions like what kind of products you want to sell and whether you already sell online. After that, you'll be directed to your Shift4Shop dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a setup guide that walks you through the initial steps. There's also a short video introduction to help you get familiar with the platform. Your dashboard is the main control center for your store. On the home page, you can view a summary of your store's performance. This includes the number of orders, total revenue, and other key data. On the left side, you'll find a navigation menu where you can manage products, orders, customers, marketing, and more. The first step is to configure the general settings for your store. Click on Settings in the sidebar, then click on General. Here, you can enter your store name, address, and other important details. Make sure you set your time zone correctly because it affects order timestamps and reporting. You'll also see the option to upload your store logo. Click Browse, select your logo file from your computer, and upload it. After that, click Save. Next, let's look at how your store appears to customers. Click on the View Store option. You'll see the default design with placeholder images. Let's go ahead and replace the carousel images with your own. Click on any of the carousel images. This will take you to the carousel settings page in the admin panel. From here, click Browse, then upload your images. You can remove any default links if you don't have specific pages set up yet. Once done, click Save and go back to the front page of your store. Your new images should now be visible. Now we'll add your own products. Go to Products, then click Product List. You'll see demo products that were added by default. We need to remove them. Select the checkbox next to each demo product, then choose Delete from the Batch Actions drop-down menu and apply it. To add a new product, click Add a Product. Enter the product name and a short description. Assign it to a category. If no category exists, create a new one. For example, let's create a category called Appliances. Upload a product image by dragging it into the image upload area. Set the product price and available stock. If your product has variants like different sizes or colors, you can add those under the Options section. When everything is complete, click Save. Your product will now appear in your product list. Repeat these steps to add more products to your store. Next, let's set up shipping. Go to Settings, then click Shipping. Shift 4. Shop offers two main shipping methods, real-time rates and custom rates. For real-time rates, you can connect your store to major carriers like UPS or FedEx. Just enter your account details and save. Make sure your shipping origin is entered correctly. This is where your products ship from. To add shipping methods, go back to the shipping page and click Shipping Methods. Choose the ones you want to offer, like standard or express shipping. You can also use flat rate shipping, where a fixed fee is charged per item, or ranged-based shipping, where the cost depends on weight, item count, or total order value. For this example, let's add a flat rate method. Set the fee to $10 per item and save your settings. Now we'll configure taxes. Go to Settings, then Payment, and click on Tax Manager. Tax rules vary by location, so you'll need to set up rates based on where you're doing business. For example, let's add a tax rate for Florida. Select Florida, then enter a 7% tax rate. If you sell in other regions, you can add tax rates by country, state, or even zip code ranges. When you're done, click Save. Shift4Shop offers a full premium e-commerce platform for free if you use their payment processor. This includes all the tools you need to run a successful online store with no subscription fees. It's not a basic plan or a limited trial. It's a full-featured solution that you can use at no cost. One of the key benefits is end-to-end payment integration. Shift4Shop supports all major payment types, including PayPal, Venmo, Pay Later, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and credit cards. This gives your customers flexible payment options and makes checkout simple and smooth. Security is also taken seriously. Shift4Shop is PCI compliant, which means it meets all the industry standards for handling payment data securely. The platform uses advanced tokenization and fraud protection to keep your customer information safe. The free plan also comes with powerful features. You can add unlimited products, so there's no cap on your inventory. Built-in SEO and marketing tools help you attract traffic and promote your store. You can add unlimited staff users, so whether it's just you or a full team, you'll be covered. An integrated blog helps you connect with customers and improve your search engine rankings. Unlimited bandwidth ensures your site runs smoothly even during high traffic. And you'll get 24/7 customer support whenever you need help. There are no revenue caps, so you can grow your store without hitting any limits. You also get full API access for advanced customizations and integrations. Choose from over 100 premium themes to give your site a professional look and feel. Secure payments are built in so your customers can shop with confidence. Shift4Shop's solution is more than just affordable. It gives you the premium tools you need to build and grow your store without the high costs that other platforms charge. Many platforms require expensive add-ons or upgrades to unlock similar features, but Shift4Shop includes them all for free when you use their payment service. And that's it. You've now gone through all the essential steps to set up a dropshipping website with Shift4Shop. From creating an account to customizing your design, adding products, setting up shipping, and configuring payments and taxes, you're ready to launch your online store. Thanks for watching.